Hello everyone, this is James Peterson. Today I'm going to be talking about room setup for your presentation. I often see presentations that look like this. The presenter's hiding behind the podium and there's lots of junk on the table. My key point for today is get rid of the visual distractions so that your audience can focus on your story. So get rid of this can, get rid of the potato chips, carefully remove the overhead projector. That might be a priceless antique someday. Move the table. Erase the blackboard behind you, and then come out from behind the podium. Position the podium so that your audience can see you. Finally, double check that you're properly dressed. You should be dressed just as well as the best dressed member in your audience. Now that looks like a professional presentation. Now one more thing, if you're presenting with team members, just be aware that your team members can also be a visual distraction. Either your team members should be actively participating in the presentation next to you, or they should be off stage so that they're not a distraction. So what's my key point for today? Well, first, get rid of all visual distractions so that your audience can focus on what you're presenting. And second, remove all obstacles separating you from your audience. It's better to stand next to the podium than behind the podium.